I'm Tony Czech. I'm an adventure filmmaker and photographer. Today I'm back in the studio and I'm going to show you how I turn this QuietKat Lynx Ebike into a shooting platform. The key components to this build utilize the Tilta alien car mount system. From the Tilta, we have the DJI Ronin RS2, and I am shooting the RED Komodo. This bike is insane because you can shoot in the city, you can shoot off-road, you can shoot backcountry, and it's really fast. What I like about this bike is its full suspension. You add that full suspension with this rig on the back, and it's almost like you have a super expensive camera car, but in a much more compact form. So you're able to ride through tight trails, you're able to ride in the city, you're able to jump off curbs. It's really easy to use, and I get everything that I need right here while I'm riding and while I'm shooting.